My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2013 Jaguar F-Type. This vehicle has done just under 40,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel, we can see features such as cruise control. We also have automatic headlights and automatic wipers. Have electric seats on either side. And if we move on over to the touchscreen, we can see that we get quick access to navigation as well as Bluetooth. We can choose from a variation of different driving modes. So if we put it down, we can go into dynamic. If we go up, we can go into rain, ice and snow mode. We also have a keyless ignition. And using this button here, we can control the convertible roof. And using this button here, we can control the spoiler. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.